Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have, for the first time in a while, as you guys know, I do not do normally a lot of unboxings. I very rarely do unboxings, but today, for the beginning of Cyber's 100, I have an unboxing video for you guys today. The A51 Patrol, which is Area 51 Patrol versus the Test Subject double pack from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. There's the card art on the top. In this case, we have the Mega Rex, the blue one with the leopard shark, Spur of the Moment, which I have now, but I haven't unboxed them yet. And I also have this double pack, but I have unboxed that one. Yes, this one will be unboxed sometime in the future, but this one was more exciting, so I wanted to get this one out of the package first. And that's anyway Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. In future videos, I will be unboxing the Spin Master trucks, but those aren't going to be out until like maybe in a day or 2 or 3, so yeah. Without further ado, let's unbox the A51 Patrol and the Test Subject. So there it is, guys. We have the card art on the 2 trucks on the side. We have the Area 51 Patrol Test Subject nameplate. I'm just going to show that real quick for you guys, and you guys can see them in detail. It doesn't want to focus for me, but it is basically just the Area 51 Patrol logo. There it is, wait. It's getting now in focus. Area 51 Patrol with barbed wire and an alien with the cross on it and the Test Subject logo. Nothing too special, and yeah, I'm going to start off with the Test Subject since that is the less exciting truck of this video. This truck has been released so many times in Hot Wheels Monster Trucks before. I have just not been able to get it because I haven't been collecting the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks since the beginning. I actually started collecting them in 2019 when they were, I guess, sort of relevant in the past, so yeah, but I do finally have the Test Subject in my collection. And it's time to review it. So, Test Subject has yellow rims with a green roll cage, chrome base with the new Hot Wheels logo. The other one did not have that since it was one of the first original ones of this set. Test Subject here has a black grille with yellow dots with the headlights. It has the alien face on the top of the hood, which is very detailed. Whoever designed this for the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks did a fantastic job of designing it. I give him props for designing a very detailed face that looks as detailed as this. I do not know why my camera does not want to focus right now. It is very out of focus. There we go. Now it should be in a better focus, I guess. I don't know. I don't really know why, guys. Wait, let me... There you go. So there's the alien face, Test Subject logo with the brain, the side, and here's the other side with the headlights. And then on the back it says Test Subject Keep Out, and the other one says Top Secret on the back with the lights. And that's really it for the Test Subject. Now we have the real truck that's very special about this video, the A51 Patrol. A51 Patrol is a very cool truck that I've been waiting for quite a while since it has came out. It was revealed to us a couple months ago, and this truck is definitely one of my favorite trucks of Hot Wheels Monster Truck. The paint is very nice. It's a very, I don't know, it's like a matte, not a matte, but like a weird glossy matte almost. I don't know. So it has gray rims with pearlescent purple bead locks, a yellow roll cage chrome chassis. It has the A51 Patrol logo on the side. There's a good look at that. And then, yeah, on the top here it says A51 Patrol. And the same thing in Spanish, I believe. Here we have the alien hood with the A51 Patrol logo on the top of the roof. Same thing on the other side. On the back, it has the A51 Patrol spaceship with the alien, with the cross, and the A51 patrol. And then again in, I believe that language is... I don't know what language that is, I'm sorry. No, French, probably French. But yeah, this is basically the A51 patrol. Probably one of the nicest trucks that's ever come across my collection of Hot Wheels Moss trucks. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very happy for that I get to do this video for you guys. This is a pretty special double pack. I would recommend picking it up if you are a Hot Wheels collector or not. This is definitely a double pack to pick up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I cannot wait to see you guys in the future. More unboxings coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Well, like and subscribe. Peace.